How to import a funnel from Clickfunnels to HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, and in this particular video I'm going to share with you just how to do this by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to copy a funnel from Clickfunnels into HighLevel. Number two, how to import a Clickfunnels page into HighLevel. And number three, how to change the URL slugs to match Clickfunnels in HighLevel. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo account. We're going to start with this. So we see that we're under sites and then funnels. And then we already have a funnel set up here called imported from Clickfunnels. And then we're going to import this page here. This is what the page looks like. This is the URL. And so you can get the URL by using basically either a domain name that's pointing to a Clickfunnels account or the actual subdomain for that particular funnel. And in this case, it is the subdomain with this particular funnel because I have not moved it yet into Clickfunnels, or I'm sorry, into HighLevel from Clickfunnels. So I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to click into my funnel, and I'm going to add a step. I'm going to name this page Local Social Lead Machine Blueprint Home, since that's what it's really named. And then I can give it a path, and my path is blueprint-main. So I'm going to add that path here. So I'm going to put blueprint-main, and I'm going to actually change this from home to main. And then we're going to put in this URL I copied, and it says, I confirm this page either belongs to me or I have permission to use these assets. So we're going to check that box off and click Create Funnel Step. And now it's going to go through the process of reading that page and importing all the data from that page to build a page exactly the same, about 95 to 99% the same as what it was in Clickfunnels. The only main difference is anywhere you have a form that Clickfunnels uses. Of course, forms work differently inside a HighLevel, so those forms need to be swapped out or changed in order to utilize forms from a Clickfunnels page that you're importing into HighLevel. And there you have it. Basically, it has put all the elements in, our background image, we have a video, we have our call to action button. We don't have a form. Like, again, this was a one-step order form. We'll have to add that. And if we keep scrolling down, everything else looks pretty good except for maybe a font or two that you want to change on a button. And we keep on going. Looking good. Pretty happy with the results. I think we're good to go for the most part. We would just have to add the form, order form specifically, and of course that would go right here under this area. So we could just go plus, and then we could scroll down to our order forms, and we could just do a one-step or a two-step. We want to use a two-step on this one because that's how it was set up originally. So I'm going to drop a two-step in there, and it looks just like that. And we can modify the two-step, of course, to eliminate some extra fields that we don't necessarily want to have on, like shipping. Show shipping, we'll hide that. It shrinks things up considerably. Looks pretty good, right? And of course, we would change some of the verbiage and shipping and such. But I think you get the drift. I really just wanted to show you exactly how simple it is to import a page from Clickfunnels into your HighLevel account. Now, the only thing you can't do is import an entire funnel in, well, one fell swoop. You have to do them individually, page by page. So you must know what the page names are in order to import an entire funnel. So if you're going to migrate from Clickfunnels into HighLevel, I highly suggest you go ahead and create like a Google Sheet with all of your URLs from every single page and every single funnel, because that way you will be able to simply duplicate, or import into HighLevel when you're migrating from Clickfunnels, even if you cancel your account, because this stuff resides on Clickfunnels essentially indefinitely as far as I have experienced, right? So it's easy to get to the main portion of the funnel, specifically if you have your primary domain still pointing to the funnel in Clickfunnels, right, or in your DNS records. But again, to get down to the nitty-gritty of the subdomain URL with whatever slug or extension for each and every page, you will no longer be able to get access to that once you cancel your account. So therefore, before you cancel your account, make sure you grab every single URL you possibly can. Like I said, grab the entire URL, just throw it right into a spreadsheet, and then you'll have every funnel and every page ready to go, ready to rock and roll, and import it to HighLevel. All right, so that will do it for this. I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up today. And as always, if you have any further questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel. inside of High Level Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.